How to find draft post on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can find draft post on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Once you land on your home page, now tap on the What's on Your Mind section at the top of your home page. Here now you can make a post. So if you want to make it as your draft post, you can hit back. Here you will have an option as Save as Draft. Once you tap on there, you will receive a notification with your draft. So tap on Save as Draft. After that, you can refresh your page. Now there I have a notification at the top right. You have to wait for a while, and there you go, you have a notification saying that you have a draft saved. So you have to tap on it and here it says unpublished draft, which will expire in 3 days. So if you want to get to your draft, all you have to do is tap on it, and there you go, you are now back to your draft. So that's how you can find draft post on Facebook, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.